we're trying to write the equation in standard form and vertex form. And what we have left for today is just to do the vertex form. But you look at all these directions here. To write it in the vertex form, find the vertex, graph the equation, press second trace. All of that is the calculator method. Okay? That's if you're using your calculator. You do need to find the vertex and you do need to graph the equation. But we're going to go to Desmos to do that. Okay? All these other directions you can ignore. Because if we use Desmos, we do not have to do all of those other things, which is really great. So what you do is in Desmos, you'll put in the equation, just go up there and click where the vertex is, you'll find the vertex, and then you'll plug in the vertex in the H and in the K, and then A is the number in front of x squared, it's the coefficient. Okay? So let's do one more. I'm going to do one more with you. Okay? We're going to do that first one. So 2x squared plus 12x plus 17. Okay, so let's go to Desmos. And put in 2x squared plus 12x plus 17. Alright, so I don't see my graph, so I need to scroll and move it over and do what I need to see my graph. And remember, you can zoom in and out however you need to. But click on the vertex. Okay, I noticed that the vertex is -3, -1. Everybody have that same vertex? So once I get that the vertex is -3, -1, then I come down here and I'm going to write the equation. The A is the number in front of x squared. -3, I change the sign, x plus 3 squared, and then -1.